Hello, you're looking at my 2010 Camry, and I've noticed recently that the boot or the trunk has been sticking and not opening freely. So today I'm going to show you a simple way to fix this problem. All you need is a bit of silicone spray. Give that a bit of a shake, read the directions first, and then just spray it around the rubber seal. And give it a wipe. Rub in with a soft cloth. And do that all around that rubber seal. Spray on the silicone spray. And keep spraying until you reach the end. And there we go, the boot now opens freely. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.